Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to review another passive income project which is called as Golden Nugget. So their official website is called as goldennugget.app. Before we start the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and please be advised that this is not a financial advice. If you want to invest in this particular project, please do it on your own risk and research. So let's get this video started. So once we open their main page, which is called as goldennugget.app, and if we scroll down a bit, so we can see like their contract is running in BNB. So the purchase which you will be making from your wallet will be in form of BNB, and you will be getting return in miners. So on every day, so you will be getting your rewards in BNB, which you can bury gold and sell gold. So bury gold means that you are going to reinvest or recompound your profit, and if you want to take your profit out, you just need to click on sell gold, and that's how you will take your profit out. Scrolling down a bit, so if I see the winning strategy part first, so our members have tried and tested out hundreds of strategies to find out what gives the best returns in the longer run. The best strategy is to bury gold compound a few times per day for 6 days and then sell on 7th day. So they are also implementing that 6/1 strategy, that for 6 days you have to recompound, and on the 7th day you can sell or take out your profit. Repeat, so you can get your initial investment back in 6 to 8 weeks, and that's how you will get your initial return back. Now the main worry part, so whenever you are investing money in any mining project, so your initial seed amount is locked. So if you are going to invest, let's say one BNB or two BNB, so that particular amount will be locked. So you will be only getting your ROI back in this particular amount of time. But remember, every time you bury your gold, you have the chance to win the mother lode or bonus pool. This will be likely be much more than your original investment. So please make sure when you are investing in these projects, so make sure to take part in their bonus pools. And you can also get 12% of the BNB from your friends referrals or family referrals. So once you will connect your wallet, you should be getting a referral link here. So I'll show you the step-by-step tutorial on how you can invest in this particular project too. So let's go back on the top, and if we check on minor facts, if we click on the minor facts, so it says that your daily return is around 3 to 8%, which is okay. So APR of 2920%. Development and marketing fees is 3%, which is quite good. Scrolling down a bit, displays TVL, like total value locked of the smart contract miner here, which will be in form of BSC scan. So let me open that link and I'll show it to you. Wallet, so BE20 connected Metamask, Trust Wallet or Ledger, any wallet of your choice. Hired miners, they are mines. They are miners hired with BNB. They do not have a set price that gain your daily rewards. Miners do not have a price. Miner price per BNB fluctuates every minute. Now a bit down. So buy gold. When you buy gold, you are increasing the amount of miners working for you. The more miners, the higher rewards. Buy gold displays blue when a BNB amount is entered into the window just above. Click hire miners to confirm deposit. Gas fee. So standard gas fee will be charged like from your Binance Smart Chain wallet, and 3% dev fees will be charged on whenever you are going to deposit or withdrawal. So the best strategy, as they have advised, try to withdraw your money on the 7th day so that your dev fees is basically just a week, and the standard gas fee is also just in a week. Bury gold, minimum bury is 0.01 BNB, which is okay. If there are rewards accumulated and a new gold bury is made, all BNB gets added to miners. So the rewards which you will be getting from your friends or referrals, so that will be added to your my reward section, and you can bury them in the miners. Sell gold, the withdraws BNB accumulated and is transferred into your personal wallet. Eat fees are BSC gas fees and dev fees. So whenever you are trying to take out your profit, so you will be getting BNB as a return, but there is a gas fee and 3% dev fee. So please keep that thing in the mind. Now looking into the referral part, when a user adds BNB by using the referral link, it takes 12.5% of their purchased miners, not BNB. So keep this thing in the mind. you will be getting 12.5% of their minus, which will be this part, not the BNB. And adds it to refers award accumulated. So that will be adding into your reward section. If they add BNB at a later date using the referral link, the referrer still get their referral bonus. So every time, whenever your friend or any of your family member who is adding BNB, you will always, or every transaction, you will be getting 12.5%. So it's not a percentage of their BNB, it's percentage of their minus, which is a different number that depends on the amount of BNB in the pool. A good thing I like about their website is the everything is highlighted very clearly and precise in bullets point. Like there is no room of error or no room of like doubts or anything. They have mentioned everything clearly. Seems a very transparent project, and hopefully this runs for long as people are investing. Now let's go back to the rewards part. Your rewards, this displays the amount of BNB accumulated from your miners over time. This is accumulated as soon as you have deposit, which will be this part on the top. And if I scroll down a bit more, so please note, and there are some important things which I want to highlight. This is a locked smart contract. BNB rewards pool, your initial invest is locked forever. So remember this thing, which I've already told you in the start of the video, your seed amount will be locked. Rewards fluctuate between 1 to 8% on several factors, including TVL amount, selling, and burying habits. So the daily rewards can fluctuate a bit, or it can go very high or very low, all depending on what is the total value in the project, selling and buying habits of the particular user. Following 6 to 1 ratio is recommended, which I've already explained. There are no time limit or restriction, so you can bury, sell, or buy anytime whenever you want, but again the dev fees is charged. Burying will not show amount on BSC scan, which will be your internal transaction. Golden Nugget miner is high risk and high reward. That's like which we already discussed in the start. The contract has an anti-whale mechanism. This ensures that long-lasting profit. The contract has an anti-whale mechanism. This ensures a long-lasting profitable project. So this means the big whales cannot take their money out easily as they have implemented the anti-whale mechanism. So let's scroll up and okay. So if we go back in the last part, so if you want to check their BSC scan, so let's check that one. So currently they have around 6.57 BNB, which is 2627, relevantly a new project. But if I scroll down a bit, so I can see like tons of people are like burying gold, which means they are recompounding. Some of them are buying gold, which is basically new investment. So if you see the people who are buying gold, so their transaction is shown, and like so people who are basically buying gold, so their transaction is shown in numbers here, but when they are burying gold, which is recompounding, so you will see 0 BNB because you are not investing. And in terms of sell gold, I can see like pretty less transactions, which means like more people are getting attracted. That's their address, which is here on Binance. And if you want to join their Telegram group, so that's their link, which will be in the last of the page. Just click that and you can join it. If you want to see their Twitter page, that's the link. I will be leaving all of their links in the description. If I click on like Twitter part, so currently that's their official page, that's their official website. They have 2 followers as of now because it's a relevantly new project. And so they have a bit of so they have made bit of videos in Arabic and English and few other languages. And and soon they will be sharing more details of their project with you guys. And now let's scroll back to the website one more time. And I think, yeah, so if we scroll, okay, so let's go back to the website more. So let's go back to their website and I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can buy their project. So the first thing which you need to do is you need to go on the top of your website, click on connect wallet, and my wallet will be connecting in the back end just for the security purpose. So Okay, so I can see that my wallet has successfully connected. The sign to see like if your wallet has been connected or not. Once it is connected, you will see a contract address here on the top, which is your wallet address, and you will also get a disconnect wallet option. Now scrolling down a bit, so the contract says currently 6.576 BNB are invested. If I want to buy their project or if I want to invest in their project, so simply you need to have, let's say I want to buy their project for 2 BNB, right? So I need to have 2 BNB in my wallet. And once I'll click to here, so I just need to click on hire gold miners. So once I click on hire gold miners, so I will get a pop-up notification from my Metamask wallet saying that please approve this transaction. Once that transaction has been successfully approved, so I should be able to see equivalent miners here, and on daily basis I will be getting rewards from those miners. Scrolling down a bit more, so that's the referral link which you will be getting to share with your friends and family, and that's how you can earn 12% of the BNB. I will be leaving my referral link in the description. So if any of you guys are investing, so please join from that particular link. And you can also get a QR code, I believe, which is a new feature in only this website. You can get a QR code, share it with your friends, and they have also added an option of sharing that QR code on Facebook and Twitter. Something relevantly new, but I like it. And guys, that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much.